There's a turkey with a gobble, watch his wattle start to wobble when the rooster cock-a-doodles the alarm. We've got pullets, we've got chickens, we've got quails, and what the dickens? It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. There's a guinea fowl who hisses, then there's Ida, she's my missus, so forgive me if I'm laying on the smarm. She goes in for heated quacking to point out the skills I'm lacking. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers in our duckyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
Here where waterfowl have waddled, little chicks get molly-coddled, for the cat would like to do them grievous harm. He's our only source of worry, feathers rarely get to flurry. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. In our waterfowl regatta, there's a moorhen fond of chatter, and a mandarin with oriental charm. You'll find every goose or gander, though of course I'm rather grander. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. We may strike some classic poses, and we all have parsons' noses, but that doesn't mean you'll hear a single song. For all reference is rejected, blatant foul play is suspected. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm. Come on down and don't be strangers in our duckyard of free rangers. It's a poultry tale. It's a poultry tale. It's a poultry tale of folk down on the farm.
If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sport this season's look will fall flat on their how's about you what's it? For fashion is a fickle thing, but just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya, someone's gonna love ya, warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone's gonna fall for you. Though I'm Tyrannosaurus Rexy, some will find me sexy in my way. Though it may take some time to find them, when you do you'll have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya.
Waltz and all
Now you're croaking my language.
out there in a muddy puddle, someone needs a cuddle, though the chance is small.
It's true, just think, whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting with a mate. Though it may take some time to find them, when you do you'll have a ball. 'Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Waltz and all, tell him kids.
Somewhere out there, we don't know where, someone will care. They're gonna love you, warts and all. Somewhere out there, we can't say where, but someone is gonna fall for you.
Though I'm Tyrannosaurus Rexy. Some will find me sexy in my way.
They'll find you sexy.
Though it may take some time to find them, when you do you'll have a ball.
We know you're gonna have a ball.
'Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Out there someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all.
Yeah, warts and all.
Out there in a muddy puddle, someone needs a cuddle. Though the chance is small, it's true. Just think, whenever you need boosting, one day you'll be roosting with our mates.
Soon you'll be roosting.
Though it may take some time to find them, when you do you'll have a ball.
We know you're gonna have a ball.
'Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya.